Hello there friends. We're making a mushroom pasta with white sauce. Thumbs up you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring the bell. To make mushroom pasta with white sauce, you'll need 100 grams of pasta, 100 grams of mushroom, 1 large onion, 6 cloves of garlic, 10 grams of butter, 1 bay leaf, 15 black peppercorns, 3 cloves, milk as required, flour as required, salt as required, pepper powder as required, and 1½ teaspoons of oil. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add 100 grams of pasta. Add a touch of oil. Cook the pasta until al dente. Drain the pasta, reserving about half a cup of the pasta water, and set aside. In a medium pan, add 1½ teaspoon of oil, heat the oil over medium heat. Add the chopped garlic and onion, and sauté until softened and fragrant, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the sliced mushrooms to the pan and cook until they are golden brown and tender, stirring occasionally, about 5 to 7 minutes. In a medium pan, add 10 grams of butter, melt the butter over medium heat. Make sure not to let it brown. Once the butter is melted, add the all-purpose flour to the pan. Stir continuously on low heat. Add bay leaf, black pepper, and clove. Stir until forms a smooth paste. Gradually pour the milk into the pan, and stir constantly to incorporate it into the roux. Continue stirring until the mixture is smooth and free of lumps. Once the sauce has reached the desired thickness, season it with salt and pepper. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Add the cooked mushroom to the pan with the white sauce. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Add the cooked pasta to the pan with the mushroom sauce. Toss everything together until the pasta is well coated with the sauce. If the sauce is too thick, you can add some of the reserved pasta water a little at a time until you reach your desired consistency. Enjoy your delicious mushroom pasta with white sauce.